There is a music star in Acholi land by the name Fire, who likes saying, Muareo when something is hot beyond this reasonable level. Well, he's a Rastaman. A Rastaman who doesn't care about civil justice. But anyway, this one is Muareo. The double life of General Muhoozi, Uganda's most unpredictable military chief. The official face, diplomat-in-chief on paper, General Muhoozi Kangaba, is Uganda's top military commander, chief of defense forces, senior presidential advisor for special operations, and the man reshaping Uganda's defense diplomacy. Today, April 2nd, 2026, he appointed a fresh wave of military attaches to embassies across Ethiopia, Tanzania, DR Congo, Russia, the US, and beyond. The headlines read like a textbook profile of a rising statesman. CDF General Kangaba deploys new military diplomat, so a rising statesman. But that's only half the story. The X-Files, when the general goes rogue. The same day, these diplomatic appointments were announced, while police and the military are engaged in planning battles with angry residents of Gaba over a horrific decay attack on toddlers. Muhoozi's personal X account became a live grenade. Within hours today, he posted a threat to capture Tehran with a single UPDF brigade, claiming it would take no more than 2 weeks. That's a post previously in defense of his father's alleged domestic violence, writing that Muhoozi used to use our head for punching bug and calling it our men exercise in the morning. And that was a direct response to Winnie Byanyima, this old stupid woman. If my father did not beat you enough in 1985, trust me, I will. The backlash look. What makes Muhoozi fascinating media fodder today is his response to the backlash. When critics note his habit of deleting controversial tweets, he fired back just hours ago. So what if I delete or keep or tweet? What business is that of anyone? A performative defiance that guarantees screenshots will outlive any deletion. When a user accused him of admitting his father was abusive, Muhoozi replied, abusive how? He was trying to beat sense into her, thus being a humanitarian. Meanwhile, Ugandans on social media are reeling from the horrifying Gaba news. A man allegedly cutting children aged about 2 to 3 years at a daycare center. In that tense atmosphere, Muhoozi chose to joke about domestic abuse and threaten war with Iran. The bigger picture, Muhoozi isn't just a general with a Twitter addiction. He's the son of President Yoweri Museveni, Africa's longest ruling leader and widely seen as a potential successor. His official acts today, appointing diplomats, strengthening defense ties, legitimize his power. His unofficial outburst reveal a man who seems to believe consequences don't apply to him. And who are you to refuse that? The media story here isn't just controversy. It's the whiplash. On the same day a suburb is in chaos over butchered toddlers, he is a statesman, a veteran, and a defender of domestic violence. And the world keeps watching because nobody, including Ugandans, knows which Muhoozi will tweet next. And it is still developing.